One of the most important things you remember when you're in the woods, you're doing a little hunting or scavenging or just out taking regular wildlife photos. The wildlife will tell you what's going on. You just gotta listen to them. When the blue jays start going off and they're not around you, it's usually they're giving you a sign that there's something coming into your area. When squirrels start barking, the birds start being alarmed, and you're already in position and you've been sitting there for a while quiet, it's usually something's moving, something big. And then it's time to keep your eyes open and look at the openings through the woods, little trails and whatnot. Start watching for movement.